Hey guys, welcome back to GreenTGarden. Hey guys, in this video I want to show you guys, give you all the tips and everything I did to grow scallions and how you could harvest your scallions less than 2 weeks. I'm telling you guys, I've been harvesting scallions every 2 weeks. So how to grow monster scallions. So guys, basically this blue container, I do have an organic soil in this one here. I got the soil from Amazon. I'll just check back my order and figure out which one I bought and leave it in the description. So if you guys some people are wondering why do we have these brown stuff right here, the one that's brown and they're dying. Well, to be honest, I'm not pretty sure about it. Some people said it's either from disease or fungus or something. Or what I think too, if you cut it with a dull scissors or your pruners is not that sharp and you cut it, I think maybe it affects it a little bit. If not, you could just clip it out. It doesn't really hurt or anything like that. It doesn't really do anything. You could just, what I did, I remember one of them was going bad just like halfway, like this right here, and I clipped it right there and I left it to grow and it just grew. So it's not a big deal. My tips for scallions in a container: if you're gonna have it in a container, make sure your container have about 6 to 8 holes, so you have a lot of, so your water and air, so you have water access and air access, airflow comes through, and you could space them out. To be honest with you, I really don't space them out. I just throw a bunch of seed in there, 1/2 inch deep, cover it up, and water is the main thing when it comes to scallion, guys. Water is the key. Now there's 2 ways. I know there's 2 ways you could harvest your scallions. You could either like pull them out and put the roots back in different location where you want to grow, but my way, guys, I'll cut them right here. I'll leave about an inch to 1/2 inch, and I'll cut them. Like these babies and stuff though, I don't cut these guys yet. I cut them individually. You see, like that, this already cut. You see, they're all different lengths. So once your scallions about, I would say about 8 inches high, they're pretty good. These guys are monsters. Just show you. I don't know what the sound effect, but I'm just letting you know, guys. These guys are not your average scallions. So how to get monster scallion, guys? Number 1 key: organic soil, water every single day. Yep, you hear me right. I water scallions every day. For some reason, it dried up. But even this soil that I got is like a moisture control soil, organic soil. That's good. I watered earlier today, so that's good. Even though they do get dried a lot, and because of drying, you could tell they get a lot of brown stuff. But guys, I didn't get to this for a couple days now, so you could see it's a mess. I'll advise you guys, any dead one, cut it out. Cut out all the dead stuff so you keep it clean. This is messy right now. Alright, enough of that. So guys, basically, when my scallions start up back, if your scallions have some kind of bud or flower looking thing here, some of them comes with that seed, you dry it out, you get that black seed, and then you plant them. And after you plant them, this is what you get: more scallions. So that's how I got these guys. This, oh my god, so much water in this. I popped some hole on the side to get somewhere out because there was a lot of rain, so I didn't water this for a while. But you see my scallions, guys, they're standing, let me step back, they're standing up real high and strong. They're not breaking or falling, all of them. The real reason, because once you have an organic soil, or you're gonna need like organic food. I didn't need organic food too much because I have organic soil inside. Once your scallion has that and you have enough water, it will stand strong, guys. If you don't have enough nutrition and you don't have enough water, your scallions, for most plants and scallions, they're not gonna grow strong. So to get bigger, stronger scallions, do have organic soil, or, oh look at this bee flying, or get some organic food, plant food, and water, guys. And as I said, guys, cut them about 1 inch to 2, no more, because you need all the scallions, and they'll grow back. And make sure if you get in a pruner or you got a scissors, make sure you cut a clean cut, guys. So let me show you guys how I harvest my scallions. So this one is a big one right here. So look, I'll show you right here. I'll come a little bit higher, snap, 1 snap, and look, that's, you got your scallions right there. So I do cut them and just let them grow, and within less than 2 weeks, guys, fresh scallions again. Alright guys, so you can see right here, I cut out some from this guy, and this is how I cut out. But I still leave some of them that's gonna grow more. I didn't cut like whole and just cut everything out one, because I still think these are skinny and small, and there's some of them could grow more. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna cut out all the brown stuff, all the bad stuff, just get out all that and clean out the bin, so nothing is in the way and it grows good, more airflow and no disease, guys. So this right here is my harvest there. So grateful, so excited always, and you could do a lot of stuff with those guys. A lot of scallions, guys, fresh scallions. Hopefully you found this video helpful and some tips for helpful, guys, and apply this. And once you apply it, guys, trust me, if it works for me, it'll work for you, and you could have fresh scallions every 2 weeks, guys. Fresh scallions. I'm gonna leave the link in the description about the organic soil on organic food that could help you guys grow it faster. So big, strong scallions. And guys, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also give thumbs up. It'll really help my video, guys, and help my channel, and it's 100% free. And stay tuned for more videos on GreenTGarden.